A warm welcome to everyone. We, the team RATAN, here to represent the solution for Smart Indian Hackathon. And our problem statement is embedded base brake safety system for real-time brake temperature monitoring. And our theme is smart vehicle. And our category comes under the project or is hardware. So overall road accident statistic, if you will see, in 2023, India saw a 4.2% increase in a road accident from previous year, and 1% of them just because of the brake failure. For 2024, reports indicate that around 1.8 lakh people died in a road accident. So, what's the problem? So, brake pad gets overheated during the continuous or heavy braking, which means that overloading the vehicle or prolonged brake can cause brake fade due to the overheating, and this overheating can lead to a brake failure, which increase the chances of accident. So idea and solution for it is embedded based brake system we are going to design, which will do real time monitoring with the help of the IR sensor. So here IR sensor is going to detect brake disc is overheated without internal dependency, and our microcontroller will detect that the temperature has been gone from our threshold temperature, and now it's going to alert your device through the buzzer or on the display. So what's the resolution of it? It's work fully offline, which does not cause that attachment of the Bluetooth connection with the other vehicle. It's affordable. It's reduced the accident by provided early warning to the driver. Now, what's the technical approach? So our flow of the technical approach is like, basically we are going to attach the IR sensor to the brake disc like MLX 90614, which is the sensor we are going to use here, which will detect the sensor without which will detect the disc temperature without the contact. Now after the detect after that, our embedded chip will detect the temperature which has been gone from threshold frequency or not. So our threshold frequency will come under 600 or 800 degrees Celsius. After it, our brake failure can cause the accident. Now at that condition, our buzzer will give alert to the driver, and suppose if your brake has been failed now, so you don't have to worry. Our auto safety action will give you step by step procedure what to do now. So technologies we have used here in hardware like IR temperature sensor, embedded microcontroller we are going to use here Uno or ESP32. Now LED display we are going to use for step by step process after the brake failure, and buzzer for the alert. And so in software we are going to use here C programming and real time threshold monitoring condition. Now what's the feasibility and viability here? So all the components are in a low cost and easily available, like embedded microcontroller is like 28% of our cost, IR sensor is 35%, and buzzer and PCB and miscellaneous other things are 9%, 16%, 12% respectively. So, embedded design equals to low power consumption. What's the challenges and what the solution for our project? So, sensor calibration. For sensor calibration, we are going to test it on first road, and we are going to solve it by the lab. And sometimes false alarm can also be the problem and challenge in front of us. So we are going to design the system which gives you the display and a representation that your sensor is not working or your uh, Uno is not working. It's all is going to be filtered using the embedded C programming, which we are going to paste as a backend. So now different car module, for the different car module we are going to use here universal kit, which can solve the problem of all the different car models. So what's the impacts and benefit? It will prevent the accident. It's affordable for the accessible for middle class car owners, and it will also build the trust for the automotive safety. Now what's the benefit? So it will, for the social, it will save the lives and improve the road safety. In 2024, in late 2024-2025, Pune-Mumbai Expressway, a truck container due to the brake failure caused major 16 vehicle pileup on the expressway. A person was killed and several others were injured as the truck collided with the other vehicle, leading the chain reaction crash. And also in the Dhule district, Maharashtra 2023, a truck container due to the brake failure, National Highway 3, the truck collided with a car and other vehicle before the ramming into the hotel. At least 15 people died and more than 20 were injured in the accident. So it will save the lives of the people. In the social and in economics, it will reduce the accident, it will ensure the claim. As we are watching in the highways, a lot of accidents are happening due to the high temperature, due to the brake failure. In the environmental, it's prevent the vehicle scrapping due to the accident. Now it let's come to the research and references. So in the research, we have investigated that brake failure related to the crash and injury severity on a mountainous roadway in a Wyoming. So, General of the Transportation Safety and Security. Now we have also seen a study of brake performance on the passenger car based on the temperature stimulation. And if you will ask about this project, so it's going abroad the countries but not specific in India. And we are gonna inspire everyone with, and we are also inspired by Ratan Tata's vision of affordable safety for all. And our vision is just to provide the affordable brake system. And our inspiration, we are going to tell our inspiration Ratan Tata sir about it. Thank you.